Sitka is a department of the Greater Sitka Chamber of Commerce. We're a private nonprofit destination marketing organization. And so through our efforts, we work to market Sitka as a destination focusing on convention sales, tourism, and visitor services. We like using Driftscape to give our visitors an option to digitally plan their trip. We have printed visitor guides, but giving people a digital option in this day and age was, of course, really important. This year, we printed 120,000 of our downtown attractions maps. We discovered Driftscape initially in 2022, signed our contract, and began our development in early summer of 2023. The biggest thing that stood out to us was the offline feature. Being on a small island, we do have limited bandwidth for our cell coverage, and so having an offline option was really important to our city assembly and to us. The team has been incredibly responsive, really kind and helpful. Anytime I've needed any help with developing out the app, somebody responds to my email within just a couple hours and is super quick and happy to help. That was huge. And the assistance with setting up the app initially was also great. When we set it up, our points of interest we chose were events, hiking trails, and things to do. But there are other destination marketing organizations on the app that have set their layers up differently with different things that they wanted to cover. Those three things were important to Sitka, so that's how we chose to set it up. But the versatility of the app is really convenient. The helpfulness of the team has been great. So for anybody looking into Driftscape, I would recommend it. We've had a really pleasant experience here with Visit Sitka.